Guys. Last video was supposed to end here, but apparently I uploaded this part with these levels. And I'm confused, because I swear I uploaded these levels right here. But it didn't. And I'm like, wait. Because it goes in time order. So I clicked the one on the right because that's the one I recorded previously. That's how my phone goes. But apparently I didn't. Okay, this freaking. What the hell? What the fridge? Okay, now my hand's all the way over here, but like. Alright, I need to like recenter this. Whatever. There we go. Actually, no, never mind. I gotta play from this angle to make it centered. So, anyways, I did these levels, and I delete my uploads after I upload them because they're on YouTube, but apparently I uploaded the wrong video, and I don't know how. It's really dumb. So, like, yeah, it's really annoying. I'm so confused. Whatever. I'm trying to center the motion thing, but it's not working. It's not, like, it's following the left Joy-Con, not like the middle. So now it's really weird. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh yeah, there we go. That's much better. But I have to find Pixel Toad, and I'm sorry guys. I didn't know that I uploaded the wrong one or something. But I swear I didn't upload the wrong one. So now I am gonna replay all these levels for you guys. Just I delete a lot of stuff because I'm not on my phone because it's not on the computer. I can't just save everything. So like it's dumb. I don't have the thumbnail saved. I don't have anything saved. This is what happens when you don't have a computer. Jesus Christ, this is so annoying. You don't have a computer. Did they just explode? I guess they do. Oh, there's Pixel Toad. Found him. Oh, man. He almost got off screen. So this level is Sliding Slab Shuffle. Now this one, I could not find I could not figure out how to get the second diamond. It was really hard. So I was just like messing around, you know, doing normal stuff, and then I pushed myself off like 3 times. Oh shoot, oh my god. Oh god. So yeah, I did stuff like that. It was dumb. And then I got hit by a bullet bill, like, oh crap, and I was like, wait, I was too late, darn it. So like, yeah, I'm just messing up a lot. I think I actually did die, so that's pretty accurate as what happened. And then trying to only complete this course in 3 touches, all you have to do is come up here. All you have to do is 1, 2. Wait. Oh, never mind. Well, I messed up. But the way you're supposed to get the second diamond is by coming down here and going in this little thing. It took me several minutes to find that. I feel pretty dumb. And, you know, but then you have to go around and come do the same thing over again. And then I randomly got hit at the top right here, but whatever. Are you kidding me? Why does this happen to me? So yeah, it was. I have to redo this for you because of YouTube. I did something like that. And then I got to start. I was like, yeah! I did a lot of stuff off camera, like find pixel doge and complete the checkmark challenges. So yeah, I'm like, come in. We're already 6 minutes in the video, and then this one, it was really easy. Honestly, don't remember. It was just easy. But the one up mushrooms right here, I didn't know that. I found that off camera. See, I killed all these boos. Just let me do it off camera. I killed all the boos. And then I came over here. And then I got this diamond. Easy. And then I stood here for like 20 seconds. And then I escaped. But I'm not going to stand there for 20 seconds. Came up here. I didn't know what to do with it. I was like, blah, blah, blah. What am I doing? So I'm like, I thought this was the normal position, but it's not. I came over here, collected this. I was like, oh, shoot. Oh, that was easy. And then I just completed the level. I also found the other diamond. Did I find all 3 diamonds? Did I not find the other diamond? Where is the other diamond? Did I not find it? I swear there was like another diamond, right? Oh yeah, the diamond's right in here, right? I said right a lot. Where the hell am I? I don't even know where I was. And then I completed the level. So that's what I did in that level. It's actually surprising that I know what I did in these levels. This one, I don't know what I did. I honestly don't even know what I did in this level. All I remember is that I didn't know how to get the first diamond and the 3rd diamond. So I found that diamond off camera. I collected like all of these coins because I didn't know what the objective was. So I just collected all the coins. And then I barely made it onto here. And then I fell down here, and then I stood here. And then I got hit. And I was like, wait, how do you get this diamond down here? So yeah, I got hit. Right up here. Oh no, come back, save me, platform. And then I got like a mushroom or something. And then I got hit again. I was just standing here like, can I be safe? Can I be safe? Oh god, what? How did? And then I came up here, like, I came up here. And then I fell in the lava. I was just waiting here. I was like, why is there a pit full of lava? What do I do? And then I finally decided, oh, hey, maybe I should go on here. So I came on here. And then I started finishing the level. Yeah, and I start finishing it. And I believe I died or something, but I don't feel like dying. And then I came here. I protected myself. And I just stood here for a while until I got the good timing, which is right here. Go, 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 Toadette Ranger. And then I finished the level. Yeah, I finished it. So yeah, that finished level. I can't believe that happened. I was like, how come the video that I haven't uploaded yet is the same video that I uploaded? And it's sad. It's sad. Ugh. So I'm gonna find Pixel Toad now, and let's see where he is. Pixel Toad, come out wherever you are. Pixel Toad, come out. I said freaking come out. Oh shoot, I got hit. Oh no, I don't have to act any of this because they actually happen. Come up here, dodge you. Take me up, platform. Where is Pixel Toad? Where is this dude? It's gonna be some obvious place. Well, I bet you this is gonna be like some obvious place. Why can't I hear Pixel Toad? See, look, obvious place. Where is my pointer? Is it because I'm on here? There we go, I got him. See, look, it ain't that hard. I don't know where the golden mushroom is for that one. Let's do this. On the trail of the grand bird or whatever. Here we go. Bum bum ba 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 da bum bum bum. Get Captain Toad! Go get him! Alright, well, what happened was pretty unfortunate, but if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next episode of Captain Toad, the Treasure Tracker. I'm so sorry, I'm weird. This is how just people are these days.